Hi everyone, this is Sister Garver. I just wanted to go over the Google Workbook assignment. The Google Workbook is where you'll be completing a lot of your assignments throughout the course, and so I just wanted to go through a couple common points of confusion with this assignment. So you're going to navigate to your Google Workbook setup assignment here in your Week 1 modules. Quick thing to point out is that if you want to have a print copy of the workbook, you can get that through the university store or through Amazon. Some people just like to have a paper copy, and that's perfectly fine. But if you want to do the digital copy, let me show you how to set that up and how to submit assignments through that. Okay, so first of all, before you come down here and start clicking on this, I want you to make sure that you are signed in to your personal Google account on your browser. Some people have a work Google account, some people have a BYU Idaho one. It's just simpler if you make sure that you're signed into your personal one, because whatever Google account you're signed into, when you click on this, is the one that it's going to create the document in. So I would recommend being signed into your personal one. When you've got that all set up, just come over here and click on the workbook template and click on make a copy. And it should pop up a new copy of Google Workbook here, and you can come up here and rename this with your last name. Navigation is really easy in the Google Workbook. You can jump to any subject that you're looking for here on the sidebar. You can also collapse the sidebar or bring it back very easily, so navigation is pretty easy. So once you've got your Google Workbook set up, you're going to come down here to the sample course workbook activity. And this is just a completion grade, so it doesn't need to be really long, just a sentence or two is fine. Once you've completed this, you're going to want to copy everything that you just wrote here, copy all of this, and then we're going to come back over to Canvas. Here in Canvas, you're just going to click on Start Assignment and come down to the text entry spot and paste what you just copied. And you're going to copy it and paste it all into here, and then you're going to come down and just click Submit Assignment. If you are submitting from a paper copy, then it's very simple. You just take a picture of it, put that file on there, and then upload the file that's the picture of your assignment. So if you're submitting digitally, go ahead and copy and paste in the text entry. If you are doing a paper copy, just upload a picture into the file upload spot. So either way, it's pretty simple. So one pitfall I've noticed with some students is when they're trying to access their Google Workbook the second time after they've set it up, they're not quite sure how to find it. So after you've done this whole setup steps and everything's all set up, you're going to go straight to your own Google Docs in order to access your copy of the workbook. Some students make the mistake of coming back into this assignment and clicking on Workbook Template every time that they want to go into their Google Workbook, and what that does is every time it creates a brand new copy, and every time that they're saving a new assignment in a brand new copy of the workbook, and then they end up with just dozens of copies of the workbook in their Google Docs. You don't want to do that. So next time you want to access your Google Workbook, go straight to your Google Docs and open it up in there. Don't go back to this assignment and try to access this from there. Okay, so that pretty much covers everything. So when you go to submit things from your Google Workbook, again, if you're paper copy, you're going to want to upload a picture. If you're doing the digital copy, then just copy and paste your assignment, put that in the text entry, and you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.